Hi, this is Dr. Klayman, and I'd like to wish you and your family a very warm, happy, and healthy new year. Now, I'd also like to invite you to join us for a very special event that we're hosting at Osteostrong on Wednesday, January 24th from 1:30 to 2:30. My good friend and colleague, Dr. Harry Elman, an internist from New City, will be joining us for a terrific discussion that we're going to be having on longevity and state-of-the-art techniques for diagnosing and managing health-related issues for those over the age of 50. We're going to have a lot of fun. There's a lot of great information, and there's a lot of things that you'll want to know about so that you can make decisions, informed decisions, to live a longer, happier, healthier life. If you'd like to join us, and I hope you will, please reply to this message or call our office and we'd be happy to reserve a space for you. And if you want to bring a guest, tell us so that we make sure we have enough chairs for everybody. Again, it's going to be Wednesday, 1:30 to 2:30 on January 24th. And finally, once again, very happy and healthy New Year wishes from our family, our organization, our group, to your family each and every day. Happy New Year.